Jordan's first reaction on white noise.
Oh, you should have told him it was real light. Aaron, it would have been much better.
Well, I'm guessing this is where it starts, so I'll just follow it.
Look up. Not too shabby.
Don't let the monster catch you. Is he attracted to the light?
Just blinking my light bulb.
Is he attracted to the light, Jordan? Aaron.
These look.
Yes.
Oh God. So he only gets to use it 2 times.
You can hear the radio. You're looking for a radio. You can kind of hear it, so it's nearby.
Every time the person I looked at would find one here. Huh. Apparently not. Moving on. Hope I don't die before I get
You're
one
supposed to.
quarter. Hope I don't die before I get one tape recorder.
It says this was scary.
It is when you see the monsters.
If he doesn't hurry up, he'll start coming for him regardless.
Beautiful day.
No, it isn't.
Gus.
I hear it.
All you're doing is laughing and saying, beautiful day when there's a monster trying to get you. I told you, Jordan. You gotta stop playing around. And run.
Sure.
Is that it? Is that too fast? You got it.
God.
I hear him.
Road.
Oh my God!
He's out there.
Country road.
Take me home to the place I belong,
West Virginia.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Sing it off. Sing it off.
Country home.
All right, come on, man. You got 7 more recorders. Let's go.
I'm probably gonna die before I get the second one.
Okay, get out in the middle of the thing.
Whatever you do.
Okay, dude, you got 7 more.
Whatever you do, don't turn around.
That sounds familiar.
Narwhal swimming in the ocean. White noise, swimming in the ocean. Cute narwhal.
Got one?
Swimming in the ocean.
Boy.
Doing a good job so far.
I got 2. I'm horrified already.
Okay, you lie on the third one. You said you died at the first one. You said you died at the second one, but you got 2. Don't do that. He's really gonna come.
First the lights will
He came
flicker
last
on and off.
Oh, I remember that one. That was funny. Then goo will come.
No, it wasn't goo. What was it?
Slime.
No, it wasn't slime. It was something different, he said.
I know, but what do you?
Keep going.
I'm looking.
And then the phone will ring. Nobody there. Then a bus will show up.
And you'll tap on the door. I saw a leaf move and it scared me. These are
You call this
generating.
scary? In real life, yeah, I'd be freaked out, but
Sarah, I've seen videos of this. You'll be horrified of the things you find.
at least they die quicker.
No, they've actually I've seen people get all 8 without. I've seen a lot of people not be scared. I've seen a lot of people be scared. I'm on. Tape recorder.
Has Tabascus ever played White Noise?
Nope. Oh dear.
Where am I going to Tabascus?
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
What are you doing?
Running.
Why?
I feel a strange presence behind me. I feel like someone wants to tell me something.
Turn around, man.
No, I do not want to turn around.
Oh my God, he was just standing there like,
Jordan, you'll die once. You always have another time.
I almost had a heart attack.
God.
Jordan, you'll always have another time. Just turn around.
Horror games give me heart attacks, Sarah. No.
They give you horror attacks. Good one, Sarah.
Alright, I'm gonna cut it off at 5:30, bro. You did good.